Outdoors here. Today, we're at Zach's house. He went back there, but we finna get a good video for y'all. So, his grandpa lives over there, and we're gonna be doing some shooting, boys. I'm excited. This is like SSM content, boys. We finna get some good stuff in here, so y'all stay tuned.
Go ahead, sir.
That's loud.
Does it sting your ear? It stings my left ear.
Where'd that go?
You're hitting the same place every time, you're just barely above it. You're tearing a hole in its ankle where you're hitting about the same place every time, but you're hitting just right above it.
Oh, okay.
Your bounce, the gun's bouncing on you just a little bit.
This is a good cream can right here. Shot pistol, didn't do nothing, so let's see if we can bust it open this time. Okay.
It's close enough. Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all, so the last pistol y'all saw me shooting was a 45 ACP. This is a 9mm. So we'll see if we can't destroy that can anymore.
You almost hit it. Almost there.
Low?
No, a little bit to the right.
Alright. Or is it?
I think you hit it the second time. A little bit high. There we go. Busted it.
Here you go.
Almost there, a little high.
Look at the hole in the bank.
Oh, I
That's,
see it.
that's a big hole.
Yeah, you tipped it.
I don't know if you guys can see, but there's holes where he missed it.
Hit that time?
You're hitting about a foot high and to the right. Now the next to the last shot, you hit the can. But see them holes?
Alright guys, so we're shooting one more gun. I think that was some good clips of us shooting them pistols and shotguns. We got Zach right here. Go check out his YouTube channel. What is it again?
Link in description, Zach Mathena.
Yeah, so we're gonna shoot one more gun and hope y'all enjoy.
You're closer than you was with the big guns.
Here's Zach. Got back from the house from over there, you know. I can't say that, but anyway, we just got back from there, and I'm gonna end the video here because we're done shooting. But if y'all like that video, give a big old thumbs up. If you want to hit the subscribe button and use that notification button, go check out our channel, and peace.